Hello everyone, welcome once again. So today we are going to see a new multiplication trick of 2 digit into 2 digit. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and also please like the video if you really like it. So we can proceed to the question now. On the screen you can see the question which states 84 multiplied by 86. In order to use this trick, we need to satisfy two conditions. The first condition is the tens place digit, that is 8, should be always same. The tens place digit should be always same, and the ones place digit should be summing to 10. Now when we add 4 plus 6, it sums to 10. So now you can use this trick. The trick is you just multiply 4 into 6 for the last part of the answer. So 4 6 are 24. This is our last part of the answer. For the first part of the answer, you can just multiply 8 with this next number. The next number of the 8 is 9. So 9 8s are 72. So this would be our answer. We can try one more question with this. That is 32 into 38. For solving this, we know that we need to satisfy two conditions. The first condition is tens place digit should be same, so 3 is equals to 3, and the ones place digit should sum to 10. 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Now you can directly multiply 2 into 8. 2 8s are 60, and you need to multiply number 3 with this next number, that is number 4. So 3 4s are 12. So this is our answer. Can you solve these two questions and comment your answer in the comment box? That is 33 into 37 and 44 into 46. Just leave your answers in the comment box. Thank you.